What do you got there, Cam?
What is that?
Is that a Hello Kitty towel?
That's pretty cute. Does Hello Kitty go on your head?
Yeah, look it.
Cool.
Is that a bath towel?
Yeah. This says me.
It does.
Yeah. Okay. Open it. It's a big.
What's that?
Strip.
Sweater?
Strip. Look it. Start it.
Very cute. You like it?
Okay, one for you. Okay?
You'll get one for me?
This is one too.
What does it say?
Tell me right here.
Okay, do you want to pick one for Mama and then you can open that one later?
Yeah.
I know Mama is the really big one that you helped me wrap. Remember that one?
Yeah.
Can you slide it on the ground over here? You push it?
This one.
Yeah, the big one.
Okay, Mama, this is yours. This is the big one.
Wow. What is it?
Good job, Cammy.
I don't know. I'll tell you. Thanks, Mama. I can do it.
Good job, Cammy.
Yeah, you're gonna help me open it?
Yeah.
Pretty big. Oh my goodness. It didn't come in a box or anything?
Nope, that's how it was delivered.
Wow, Pam, do you know what it is?
Yeah.
What? It's a sewing machine.
This one too. Look it. They Cammy. Cammy.
Another one for you too?
This one.
Wow.
They Cammy. And Santa.
From Santa?
And that's Santa's name. And that's my name.
Cool.
Cammy.
Was Santa here? Did he bring that present and put it underneath the tree?
Yeah. This one is a Marlo. This one is mine.
Okay.
This says open. Open up. A big, big paper.
Nice.
Sit.
It's a shirt.
Does it have sparkles on it?
Yeah. No. It's a jacket.
It's a jacket?
That looks nice and warm.
Cool.